Managing reminders and relationships at the same time can be tough. Tracee's Reminders feature makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. On your dashboard, you'll see the Reminders tile. Click the little plus button to add a reminder. Give it a name, a date, and a time. By default, Traicee will show you an in-app notification when it's due, but you can also choose to receive an email, a text, or all three. When you click Reminder, it appears on your dashboard immediately. Now let's look at the contact side. Open any contact and click on Dates and Reminders. Here you can add two types of entries. A reminder is a one-time event, and an important date is a recurring event. Name the event, choose your type, set the date, and select how or if you want to be notified. All your reminders show together on the dashboard tile, so everything that matters is in one place. With Traicee, you'll never miss another important moment with a client.